Bhavana's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you sprouted mung bean cutlets recipe. So let's begin. First, let's learn to sprout mung beans. In a large bowl, take mung beans, rinse the mung beans and soak for 6 to 12 hours in cold water. After 6 to 12 hours, the beans will swell. Drain away the water, rinse them with cold water and drain again. Place the beans in a cheesecloth or sprouting jar and keep in a cool, dry, dark place to sprout. After about 12 hours, mung beans will be sprouted really good, but if desired, you can keep little longer for more sprouting. Into the food processor, I'm going to throw sprouted mung bean, the green gram, green peas, matar, spinach. Just tear apart roughly. Hara dhania, coriander leaves, ginger and green chili, hari mirch, adrak, ground coriander, cumin, dhania jeera powder, amchur powder, dry mango powder, turmeric, haldi, salt to taste. And for the binding, I'm going to use leftover cooked rice. You can use boiled mashed potato, aloo, even breadcrumbs work, but I thought of using leftover rice for the gluten-free option. And grind to a coarse mixture. When I prepare this recipe for my raw food diet day, instead of cooked rice, I use cashews. And the rest of the ingredients are raw anyway in this recipe. So that way it is so much easier to prepare raw cutlets. Alright, so let's check. Look at the nice green looking mixture. First, try to make the cutlets, like form into the cutlets. Don't make too tight, just loose like so. So I'm able to form into the cutlets, so I'm going to prepare the remaining cutlets. Into the non-stick pan, heat up about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil on a medium heat. Carefully place the cutlets into the pan and bake on both sides till lightly golden brown. If desired, you can cover to trap the heat to cook the cutlets properly. When the first side looks slightly brown, as I can see from the edges, carefully flip on the other side. Now these are very delicate cutlets, so be careful to flip them carefully. Looks like this one is going to break maybe. Yeah. So carefully you can fix it, or once it is cooked you can again form into the cutlets. It's not a big deal. Alright, so the rest of them looks great, and I'm going to allow it to cook on the other side. On a medium heat, it takes about 8 minutes for each side. Yes, it takes a little bit of time, but I love to cook this cutlets on a low to medium heat. And carefully bring down onto the serving plate. Serve with your favorite chutney or the sauce. Alright, so here I have the cutlets ready and the sauce here, and I am so ready to dig into it. very flavorful. Ginger, green chili. Amazing. By the way, you can also use these cutlets as falafel. They taste very close to falafel. So these cutlets are very versatile. You can use in multiple recipes. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. Not only recipe videos but more than just cooking. Also, please do visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. And yes, you can also download free Bhavna's Kitchen app on your iOS or Android devices. And you can also watch me on a big TV screen on a Roku channel, Bhavna's Kitchen or Bhavna in the Kitchen. If you have a smart TV, thanks for watching and see you soon.